Welcome to Fluent Phonics. Today we will focus on mastering the pronunciation of the word unmurmuring. 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 Here's an example of how one might use it in a sentence. Despite facing numerous challenges and setbacks, she remained unmurmuring and continued to work diligently towards her goals. Unmurmuring means to accept difficulties or hardships without complaining or grumbling, showing patience and resilience in the face of adversity. Thank you for your time. If you enjoyed this, please like and subscribe for further content.